Welcome to Visory, the first information technologies park in Lithuania. By the end of 2010, these modern buildings will start rising up in capital's Geležinis Vilkas street. The history of the park has started in 1986, when the Institute of Mathematics and Information was moved to Visory, where it started developing its IT-related scientific research. By the end of 2002, there was a non-governmental organization, Visory Information Technologies Park, founded. A lot of 6 hectares was allocated for the development of its infrastructure. By now, there are tens of enterprises and science research centers open in Visory Information Technologies Park, including Biochemical Institute, Vilnius Ecology Institute, Baltic Amadeus, TEV, VTEX, Exdatum, Impro, JLCAD, Art21, Sole Proprietorship IT Sistemos, Associations Infobolt and EEPA, which employ over 700 of capable professionals. Last autumn, the government awarded Visory a status of national significance, which helped to attract other 3 high-tech companies that plan to open research centers in Visory. One of them is Viltech-Meda, which plans to develop production of medical infusion pumps for precise and safe administration of drugs. The planned investment to a 3,000 square meter high-tech medicinal technology center will reach 10 million liters. In 2011, another 3,500 square meter lot will be taken by Biotech Pharma, which creates new technologies and biopharmaceutical substances. The investment to a new science lab complex will amount to 48 million liters. About 30,000 square meters Technological Research and Development Center will be set up at Visory Informational Technologies Park by BOT Group, who plan to develop solar energy and optical digital media technologies. Together with their German partners, the company has founded 2 new companies, Baltic Solar Energy and Baltic Solar Solutions, which, along with Via Solis, are going to develop solar cell and modules research and experimental manufacture facilities. The building's first floor will be accommodate 2 cell manufacture lines, over 120 megawatts total capacities. The first 60 megawatts capacity line will be launched at the end of 2011. It will be capable of producing 53,000 cells a day or 19 million cells per year. A cell, a thin silicon crystal wafer, is used for the assembly of solar energy modules. The second 60 megawatts line will be launched in 2013. It will use 3rd-generation solar cell manufacture equipment, which will allow making monocrystal cells with efficiency rates exceeding 18% limit. This is the most widespread technology, taking up 90% of solar cell market now. By 2013, the investment of BOT Group to this sector will reach 150 million liters. By 2015, the planned turnover of solar cell manufacture will reach 415 million liters, 95% of which will be exported abroad. The cells made up on the first floor will be transferred to the ground floor, where the manufacture process will be continued by Via Solis. The cells will be assembled into modules. The modules, which generate electricity from sunlight, can be of a variety of sizes. An average lifespan of photovoltaic module is about 30 years. The performance of a module isn't degrading with time. Even after 25 years of use, it will generate 80% of power compared to its initial efficiency. Solar energy is the world's fastest-growing industry sector. Solar cells produce no noise. They don't have any moving parts and thus don't require maintenance. They can be aesthetically designed and integrated in buildings' facades. The roofs and facades can help saving electrical power consumed within the building. In the shortest future, Visory Informational Technologies Park will become a center of know-how, able to create huge additional values. Given the investors make their ambitious plans true, they will be an incomparable hub of business innovations and high-tech entrepreneurship created by no match in the region, which can attract attention of other Western companies to Lithuania.